Hi, Jennifer Lawrence here with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Florida Network Realty. I'm here giving you a virtual sneak peek into my new open house that I'll be holding open June 13th from 11 to 2. This home is located in the 55 and up community of Del Webb, inside Ponte Vedra. This home boasts 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, a private lanai, and all for $519. Welcome in. To your left, you'll have your kitchen, complete with stainless steel appliances, all Whirlpool. Beautiful granite countertops, and a wet bar. Complete with your own custom closets. And we saved the best part for last, your own private lanai, complete with your built-in kitchen and a fire pit.